The summer season can be a challenging time for your cars, as high temperatures and humidity can cause various maintenance issues. Therefore, it is essential to take the necessary steps to keep your car in top condition during the summer months. Regular maintenance can help to prevent breakdowns and ensure that your car runs smoothly, reducing the risk of costly repairs. In this video, we will discuss 5 must-have car maintenance tips for the summer season. From checking the cooling system to inspecting the tires and replacing the air filter. These tips will help you keep your car in top shape and ready for any summer road trip. Check the cooling system. During summers, high temperatures can cause the engine to overheat, which can damage vital engine components. To prevent this, it is crucial to check the cooling system regularly. Start by checking the coolant level in the reservoir and topping it up if necessary. Also inspect the hoses and fans for signs of wear and tear or damage. If you notice any leaks or cracks, have them repaired immediately. Overheating can cause severe damage to the engine, resulting in expensive repairs. Inspect the tires. Summer temperatures can cause the air in the tires to expand, leading to overinflation. Overinflated tires can be dangerous as they can cause the car to handle poorly, especially on wet roads. On the other hand, underinflated tires can wear out faster, reducing fuel economy and increasing the risk of a blowout. Therefore, it is essential to check the tire pressure regularly and maintain it at the recommended level. Also inspect the tire tread to ensure that it is not worn out, as this can reduce traction on wet roads. Replace the air filter. The air filter in your car helps to keep the engine clean and running smoothly. During summers, the air is filled with more dust and pollen, which can clog the air filter and reduce engine performance. Therefore, it is crucial to replace the air filter regularly. A clogged air filter can cause the engine to work harder, reducing fuel economy and increasing emissions. Keep the car clean. Summer weather can be tough on the exterior of your car, as the sun and heat can cause the paint to fade and crack. Regular washing and waxing can help to protect the paint from the sun and keep your car looking great. Also, don't forget to clean the inside of the car, as dust and dirt can accumulate on the dashboard and seats. Check the battery. The heat can cause the battery to wear out faster, so it is essential to check the battery terminals and cables regularly. Make sure that they are clean and free of corrosion. Also check the battery's voltage using a voltmeter to ensure that it is holding a charge. If the battery is more than 3 years old, it may be time to replace it, as older batteries are more prone to failure. By following these maintenance tips, you can help to ensure that your car stays in top condition during the summer months. Regular maintenance can also prevent costly repairs and keep your car running smoothly for years to come.